Are you looking for a way to recognize your students who have great behavior? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an easy Student of the Month recognition program. This is a viewer's choice, so thanks to all of those on the screen who wanted to see this video. Step number 1, pick your character trait. So these character traits can be random or they can be based on your school's core values. My school's core values are SOAR, safety, ownership, achievement, and respect. So each monthly character trait is a variation of one of these core values, or like I said, you can pick your own. Here's a list that I've used over the course of the years, and they fit well within our school. Also a great idea to think about your school's mission and vision, and then you can align your character traits with that. The next thing you want to do is email your teachers and let them know about the Student of the Month program. You could also choose a cute name for this program. Our school mascot is the Hawks, and so our Student of the Month program is called the Hawk of the Month. Email your teachers and let them know that the program is starting, and let them know that there's a way to choose students that they would like to nominate for Student of the Month. I created and sent out a very simple Google form where the teachers fill out their name, the student's name that they nominate. I also ask teachers to share a brief explanation of why they choose those students. Usually 1 to 2 sentences will suffice. If they would like to share more, then that's great. And I'll tell you why at the end of this video, why I want them to give an explanation of why they chose those students. When I send out this email, I also send out a calendar invite because I want them to have a deadline of when they can have those nominations by. Generally, teachers stick to this. I also created a very simple slide per each character trait to let the teachers know what the criteria is when they're doing the selection process to make it easier for them. As you can see on the screen, here's an example of the respect criteria that I send out to teachers when they're nominating students for a Student of the Month for respect. So I do this for every character trait. It's the same template. All I do is change the words around. And if you'll notice, I highlighted very specific words so it sticks out. I keep my emails very brief. I send teachers a notification that the program is about to start. I include the link for the Google form, and then I also include a link for the criteria for the character of the month. It gives them a guide so they can figure out how they can nominate the students that they would like to choose. This practice increases the likelihood that you'll get responses from teachers. They don't have to think about the reason they're nominating the particular student they chose because you're laying out everything right there for them. Next thing you want to do is think about the rewards you're going to give these students. I always try to keep it to low cost rewards, so you have to think about the budget for your school. I give the winners a certificate, a gold pin star that they can put on their lanyard or their shirt. They get a free dress pass because our students wear uniforms. Then every month we celebrate them with a very small celebration. So we get some snacks and we let them play video games or board games, and just something that's fun only for them. Once you have your list of winners, myself and the other counselors on my team, we go to the students' classrooms and we present the awards. We make it a really big deal and we clap and we celebrate, and we're here to announce the Hawk of the Month winners, and it gets all the other students hyped up. We do a little drum roll and get them excited about it. We give them their certificate in front of the class. We put their gold star on their lanyard or on their collared t-shirt, and then we go outside and we take a picture of them holding their certificate. It's really important that you take a picture of the winners, and I'm going to tell you why later on in this video. After I get a picture of the student holding their certificate, I download it on Canva and I make a cute graphic for a bulletin board. So here's why I wanted teachers to share the brief explanation of why they nominated the student for the Student of the Month. When I print off their pictures, I also type up the explanation of why they were nominated, and I paste it next to their picture and I put it on display so that when anyone walks by, they can see specifically why this student was nominated. It makes the students feel really good to see that their teacher said something nice about them. I make sure that this bulletin board is in a centralized location so other visitors, families, and students can see the winners of Hawk of the Month. Next thing that I do is create a simple video slideshow of the winners. And again, I take these same pictures that I took and I put it in Canva and make a video. And I send this out to the entire school so everyone can see the bulletin board, but they can also view the video. I also upload this on our school's YouTube and Instagram account so our families can see these students who won. If you would like for me to make a very simple video on how I did this on Canva, drop the word Canva in the comments section. Then you just repeat this process every month, but it's a lot easier because you've already got the email template, you've got the character of the month criteria templates already because you've already built it. At the beginning of the month, when it's time to introduce a new character trait, I send this slide to our teachers to briefly explain what the character trait is and what they're looking for. As you can see on this slide, I make cute little GIFs to make it memorable and pop out for our students. This is the time when the teachers can share that very brief video of the winners from last month's character of the month. Again, this video is usually about a minute and a half. I make it really quick because it's just a photo slideshow. It gets the students excited to see the winners, and then it also hypes up the prizes one more time because again, you want to get the ball rolling. Be sure to like this video. It lets me know that you love content like this, and it also lets YouTube know that my channel is valuable so they can push it out to other people. And if you got value from this video and you would like to do something nice for me, I love coffee, and if you go to this link on the screen, you can buy me a Starbucks. And if you would like more ways to create bulletin boards for your school counseling program, check out this video on the screen and you can see lots of different ideas.